Great choice today with 2015 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, interval wipers, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, tinted glass, cloth upholstery, power driver's seat, AM/FM stereo radio. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.